time game lost, another time you've been experienced in that, and you will win the game next. So keep on trying, it will come. Practice. 2x minus 3y is equal to 8, equation number 1, and it is written another one. 4x minus 6y is equal to 9, equation number 2. We have to find whether it is a consistent or inconsistent. So here written, you have to write the a1 value. A1 value is 2, b1 value is minus 3, c1 value is, again this will come this side, minus 8. A2 value is 4, B2 value is minus 6, and C2 value is minus 9 because of this will come. Now writing A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Now writing values, keeping substitute values, it becomes the 2 by 4, it becomes the minus 3 by minus 6, it becomes the minus 8 by minus 9. We have to check whether it is equal or not. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, minus minus cancel, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and this minus minus cancel, 8 by 9. This is equal, but this is not equal. This is equal, this is not equal. This is equal, this is not equal. And this is not equal, saying that it is a inconsistent. Inconsistent it is. If the equal not equal to C1 by C2, that is, it is inconsistent. Inconsistent it is. Means if the lines are the parallel lines. Parallel lines. Solution, no solution. No solution will be there for that. No solution will be there. Next question number next. In that we can take. So what will be the next question? In that only. Pause the video. Try to solve it. If getting the best and best. Not getting. I will learn. No problem. Because of it is not said that again you can't learn. You can. So it is written here. 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7, equation number 1, and another one written 9x minus 10y is equal to 14, equation number 2. We have to find whether it is a consistent or inconsistent. Let's it is a denominator form. Multiply by that say denominator by their LCMs. It will become in a correct form. It can become like this also. This number 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is there. This 2 and this 3. LCM is the 6. LCM is 6. It means this equation I multiply by 6. It become in the linear form. Not in denominator form. Not rational number. It become the total whole number set. So here 3 by 2 x into 6 plus 5 by 3 y into 6 is equal to 7 into 6. What it become? This is cancelled by 3 jar. We can write 9x plus this is cancelled by 2 jar 10y